Wanna play race car?
Always.
It's not here yet.
Do you know what time it is?
No, but time is really a relative concept.
Then I say it's time for a game of soccer.
I couldn't agree more.
I can't believe I've only accomplished 32 of my 50 New Year's resolutions. Yeah, don't know how you sleep at night. Haha, I take your point. You think I could learn to make my own perfume?
I think anything's possible, especially for you.
Now I have to try it. You should grow a real nose.
It's not here yet.
Yeah!
Whoop.
These controls are next level. What do you want for your birthday this year?
A sound recorder for our jam sessions would be neat.
It's not
Does it
here
go
yet.
any faster?
This is my favorite spot.
For me?
Wanna play race car?
Yeah, bet you can't make it all the way to Snake Path.
That's harder than it looks.
What's your favorite sound in the entire world?
The sound of my favorite song, but the first time I heard it.
Woohoo!
This is fun.
Woohoo!
Ha! Yeah!
I prefer not to skip meals.
It's not here yet.
Would you rather be invincible or able to fly?
The ability to fly would be more enjoyable, in my opinion.
What do you want for your birthday this year?
I could use a new toolbox,
Yippee.
now that you ask.
Whoop.
Wanna ride the mower around?
Whoop.
I'm in the mood for something healthy today.
Grow a real
one and only tea. That's yours truly.
Achoo!
Looks like allergies.
I was.
Whoops.
Oh, whoop.
Ah, home sweet home. Wonder if I've got any new stickers. Yippee! Whoop. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey! Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey! Na 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 na.
Ooh, stickers.
Na 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 na. Hey!
Just keeping you on your toes.
It was you! Hey!
Ever wonder if there are more colors in the world that we just can't see?
You come up with the strangest stuff sometimes.
Wanna hear something spooky?
Yeah!
Last night, from my window, I saw a figure floating through the park.
Aw, that was just Hank sleepwalking to the store again.
I don't know if that's enough.
Got water in my ear.
Hey, Angela, do you think I need a
Have you
haircut?
seen my mini solar power tower?
No,
Honestly,
but I was
it just
hoping we
feels
could
like
use it to power the critter
I
tank.
ate too much pizza.
This is
I
my
love collecting
favorite
stickers.
spot.
Huh?
I don't like to pick favorites.
Ugh.
Stickers.
Ah.
Na 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 na. Hey. Na 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 na. Wanna look through the stickers?
Ooh, stickers.
Na 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 na. Wanna play spray paints?
Ooh, stickers.
Wonder if I've got any new stickers.
It's not here yet.